Hi, this is the Rent for Event team. We are excited to share with you an amazing event that we had the pleasure of being a part of. One morning, we received a call from a representative of the event agency, Aliana Events, with whom we have been working for 5 years. They introduced us to their client, the Jeeter company, who wanted to organize a business dinner for their colleagues and partners.
Jeeter is a manufacturer of various vape products.
Before organizing any event, we always visit the site. This time was no different.
On the scheduled day, we went to the venue for a walkthrough, checked the site, and discussed all our clients' requests.
Let's take a look at the equipment we provided to ensure that the dinner was held at the highest level. To provide the best sound quality throughout the venue, we chose the Savage sound system from the high-quality brand L Acoustics, along with a Pioneer CDJ 3000 DJ console and DJM A9. Jeeter wanted their brand to be showcased on a big screen, and they also planned to show guests their products and videos. The LED wall Unilumin 2.6 with 60 LED wall panels completely satisfied our customers. The venue for the event was beautiful, and our task was to highlight all its advantages, as the dinner started during the day and ended at night. We needed to fully illuminate the dinner area, dance floor, and trees around the perimeter. We used over 100 lighting fixtures to light up the entire event space. While doing the walkthrough, we encountered one small issue. The event site didn't have enough power to support all of our equipment, and there wasn't enough space for a large generator trailer. So we decided to bring 8 portable generators to distribute the load across all our devices and not depend solely on the location. The event organizers also had a last-minute request to project their logo on the hill, but there wasn't enough time to prepare using special equipment. But as a flexible company dedicated to our customers, we quickly came up with a solution. We urgently ordered a custom gobo, brought in additional fixtures, mounted them above the screen without adding extra stands, and directed the light onto the hill. When the event started, we knew that we had done everything right. It was an incredible evening, and we are proud to have made it special for Jeeter and their guests. We would like to express our gratitude to Jeeter and Aliana Events for trusting us. We hope this video has inspired you to create unforgettable experiences. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel to stay up to date with the latest trends in event management. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to seeing you soon.